Hello again guys, and welcome to my channel. Quick video today. I just want to show you how to properly gap a spark plug. So I just bought these spark plugs a while ago, laser iridium, for my BMW 335i with N55 engine. After a bit of research on Google, I found out that these NGK 97506, they are recommended for tune cars, if your car is tuned. So it's one step colder for N55. You can use them for N54 as well if it's highly modified. So they are two-step colder for N54. My car is stage 2 plus MHD, so let me show you how to quickly do it. First of all, don't touch the white bit there, you don't need to touch it. So let's see, most tuners recommend them to be gap at 0.022. So you need a gauge. Let me see where is, you can, if you see them. So it's 0.022. Let's see. I don't know if the eye is focusing, yeah. So if you can see, the gap, it's a bit bigger. So to make the gap smaller, just slowly tap it down. Okay, bit by bit. Still a bit of gap. And tap it a bit more. Still a bit. I just like it to do it bit by bit. I don't want to open again the gap after that. I will show you how to open the gap after. Nearly there. We are nearly there, yeah. Still a bit of gap. Just very small. When you put the gauge here, when it's ready, it needs to just to feel a bit of resistance. Just that, just a bit of resistance, nearly there. I think it's too much. No, I'm sure it's too much. No, just right, huh? Let me see. Just right. I think it's okay, yeah. Still a bit, but let me tap it one more time. That's it. So if you want to make the gap bigger after that, you just use a spanner and you just pull this metal up here. Don't touch anything else. From here you pull it here and you pull it up a little bit. You can see, don't touch anything else. That's all. So you can do them all and fit them on the car. By the way, I bought some ignition coils as well, Eldor brand. After a bit of research, I found out that Eldor is the new supplier for BMW OM ignition coil. I used to have Delphi coils, but I said let me change to see how this will perform. They are very recommended for tuned cars. So if one of you got them on the car already, I didn't have time to fix them, it's a bit cold outside, just leave me a message below and how the car performs with them. I'll be happy to see. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thanks.